The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, through his legal team, has appealed the Court of Appeals revised judgment, which granted an application filed by the Nigerian government to retain him in detention. Hello everyone, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu appeals revised judgment at Supreme Court, challenging his continued detention by Nigerian government. An appeal court judgment of October 13th discharged and acquitted the IPOB leader after declaring that Kanu's rendition from Kenya by the Nigerian government was illegal. But on Monday, the appellate court, led by Justice Aruna, granted the application for a stay of execution filed by the Nigerian government pending the hearing and determination of an appeal before the Supreme Court. Delivering a ruling on the application for a stay of execution of the October 13th judgment filed by the government, Justice Aruna ruled that Kanu should remain in the custody of the Department of State Services (DSS). The appellate court, however, ordered the government to, within 7 days, transmit record of their appeal and its verdicts on the matter to the appeals court to enable speedy determination of the case. But Kanu's lead lawyer, AGF, had announced that Kanu gave the legal team permission to appeal the revised judgment of the appellate court. The legal team, in its appeal on Thursday, asked the Supreme Court to set aside the ruling of the appellate court, which granted the government stay of execution of its previous judgment. Ground 1 of the appeal reads: the court below held in law when it proceeded to hear and determine an application for stay of execution of judgments in a criminal appeal brought under Order 6 Rule 1 of the Court of Appeal Rules 2021 and Section 17 of the Court of Appeal Act of 2007, and thereby occasioned a miscarriage of justice. Kanu's lead lawyer, AGF, in a statement on Thursday said, "We are therefore, by this medium, informing the general public, and Umu Chineke in particular, that we have filed an appeal against the said ruling of the Court of Appeal delivered on the 28th day of October 2022, and we actively follow up on the administrative process to ensure that both appeals are given accelerated hearings in line with the extant fast-track rules of the Supreme Court. We shall keep everyone abreast of the developments in the appeals as we progress. We respectfully urge you all to still remain peaceful and law-abiding as always, and be rest assured that the ruling of the Court of Appeal now appealed against will be reviewed on merit by learned justice of the Supreme Court." It's really very, very unfortunate. It's really very, very unfortunate. I don't really understand what Abubakar Malami is up to with this Nnamdi Kanu's case. What we are looking for right now is peace in the country. Now, this would have been the means which the federal government would have used to make peace with IPOB agitators. But Malami said no. What crime did he commit that the federal government of Nigeria have refused to sleep, looking for a way or whatever, in fact, doing all sorts of things to make sure that they maneuver their way through? But it's not like that. It's not like that. Because you are president or you are the AGF, that does not mean that you are going to set aside the laws of the land. You said you are part of the law. You people are the ones who make the law. The same you are disobeying the law, the court orders. It doesn't make sense. If Nigerian government have a personal issues with our IPOB leader, they should just say it. See why I invest for you. See what you do me. And this is the reason why I not go forgive you. But as court don't say they don't discharge them, then go leave them. Then you will come fight that personal issue when you get for them. Because in a country, when the government pardon bandits, we are talking about terrorists. These are people who kill with ease. They don't care. They just kill people anyhow they like. They destroy people's properties. They sack people from their ancestral homes. There are some parts of the north, if you don't pay levies to bandits, you cannot cultivate anything in your farm. And if you don't have money to pay, you have to work as a slave for them. That is how they have been living. They don't have options because the government have disappointed them. Nobody is coming for their rescue. So they just have to obey. People are living, how do I put it? Like a life of slavery in this country. Another government inside the government. But all those ones, they are not threats to this government. But Nnamdi Kanu. Maybe because he's from the southeast. Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man. So the government is actually showing the real hatred they have for them. And they are telling us one Nigeria. Are we actually practicing what we are saying? Because these are the reasons why there are agitations everywhere. And if you are saying that everybody is is being treated equally, but with this, what can you say about this? What can you say about this? This is really very wrong. This is really very wrong. Nigerians have been speaking. Organizations have been speaking. Why is the government after this man? I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts.